What is going on, guys? We are back with another episode here in Sneak City. Don't forget, we are located in Seattle, Washington, about 10 minutes north of downtown. Bruce and I got here like 30 minutes ago. We're just getting stuff shipped out. Thank you guys so much for your online orders. Don't forget, everything in our store, on the walls, all the clothing here, you can find it on our website at thesneakcity.com. We're just getting cleaned up. We open in about 5 minutes. It's Friday. We're excited for a busy day, hopefully. Fridays we usually get a lot of visitors, so thank you each and every one of you guys that come out and say what's up while you're out here. This camera's heavy, but that's about it, guys. Let's see what deals we can get into today.
Let's do it.
All right, Bruce, we haven't done one of these in a while. Let's do a quick fit check. What you got on?
I have a Eric Clapton tee on, and then just some Eric Emanuel shorts. Eric. And
Eric.
I got the Anta Salehi Bambiri collab. Super comfortable hiking shoes. We live in Washington.
That's a mouthful. Yeah. What are they called?
They are the Salehi Bambiri Anta collab.
There you go. What about your fitted? Everybody talks about your fitted.
What do I have on today? Oh, I have a J-Tips on today. I got it from a local...
A little Murakami pin on there?
Yeah, I got it from a local seller out here. You know, support the resellers.
Yes, sir.
How about you? What do you have?
All right, up top I've got the Guess tee on. I've got some Fear God NBA shorts, off-white 4s. Funny comment about your Eric Emanuel shorts. Did you read one of the last comments on the videos? They were like, Bruce has every short that Eric ever dropped.
I actually bought a pair today since it's Friday.
I always forget.
I know.
Scary to wear that white though.
I know. It's funny because I've seen it at the outlet a couple times, but never my size. And I've been watching the videos for comments, and it's not my jam.
You just saw him like in the camera?
No, I saw him on my website.
Yeah, I'd be good with a straight trade.
You good? Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, for sure. In that deal, he traded his 2 pairs for our dead stock metallic navy Jordan 1's.
What you got for us? Rubber dunks.
And I got these. I don't know if you want them for like 30, 35.
I normally probably would, but right now, since we have so much stuff in, I might just hold off on them today. You have prices in mind for either?
Yeah, I'm pretty flexible though.
Okay.
For the 5s, I don't know, like $550, and for the dunks, like $350, $400.
Okay, cool. Let me look
like
at market and see what we're doing. Just cash or store credit?
Yeah, just cash.
Just cash, okay.
How much should you say for the donkey?
Like $350, $400, somewhere in there.
I'd be a little bit lower. I could do $800 for the 2. So that'd be like $340 on these. Whatever that was. And then $460 on these.
$460 on those.
Mm-hmm.
Could do $475 on them.
No, I'd probably just stay at the $800 for the 2.
Cool.
I'll do that.
Yeah, let's do that.
Cool.
In that deal, we bought these 2 pairs of shoes for $800.
You don't know sneaker pass or?
Yeah, I do. I don't know if it's gonna show it though, but I have the receipt if you want.
Okay. Just open it. How much were you trying to get on these?
No, I don't really know. You can just throw an offer, I guess. That's fine.
Like 60.
Awesome.
Yeah, how much were you thinking on these?
Like 220.
I'd be at like 190, 195 store credit.
I guess I'll just stick to 190 then.
Oh, yeah. Did you want to do this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So 250.
Alright, thank you so much. Have a good day, man.
Have a good one.
In that deal, we bought these 2 pairs of shoes for $250.
Yo! Shout out Sebastian. He just sent us this big ass platter of Famous Dave's barbecue. Dude, this is enough to feed like like 10 people. We're just about to
There
mow.
was 10 Sneak Cities. We all could eat all.
Got ribs, brisket, beans, fries. Dude, thank you so much. Midday care package. Crazy. How can I help you?
I just want to send these. Carton of the access.
Nice.
Do you want to see the receipt as well?
They look good to me, so that is okay.
So 7.5, I guess.
Hi.
It's Seattle BMX.
Yeah, if you go down,
One more block.
it's down in the alley,
Oh,
so there's
down-
like a little stairwell
Oh,
right
okay.
here. Yeah, yeah.
What are they doing for now? I think 250.
Yeah, my thing's not loading, so I'm just trying to check.
Yeah, they were at like 385 an hour of them.
You been going down?
A lot.
That's surprising.
I think it was like a major restock or something like that.
That would make sense, yeah.
Now I'm not buying these again.
Yeah, it would probably be under retail. I'd be at like 180 cash on them.
I had offered like 2 like last week on these. So I had like one carbon and one this. So I just sold the carbon and I just like these are there.
Yeah.
I mean like 2 is the retail, so 2 is I think fine for them.
Yeah, I would pass that to you. Just our margin would be there for us.
Like 190 for these.
I could just be at 180. Honestly, if you hold on to them, they'll probably go back up. Just throw them in your closet and forget about them if you want.
No, but I have to go back to Boston tomorrow.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, no idea.
Okay.
That's
In that deal, we bought these Yeezys for $180.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Never see people have these. How much are you looking for this?
I don't care. Throw me an offer.
Like 75 and 50?
Yeah, I'll do that.
You want store credit or just a check?
I'll do the check.
In that deal, we bought these 2 pre-owned pairs of shoes for $125.
What is going on, everybody?
What's up, guys? We made a little oopsie. We forgot our microphone last night for dinner, but we did take some B-roll. We went to the Crab Pot downtown Seattle, kind of like right on the pier by the big Ferris wheel. Like super touristy restaurant, but it was so good. It's kind of like
One of those places where they like boil it all and then they just bring it to your table in a big bowl and dump it. And then they put the bowl on the ground so you can put all your scraps in it.
and they give you like a little mallet to like
Yeah.
smash the crab with.
Yeah, it's pretty fun. I wish they gave us scissors. That was the only thing, is that it was kind
Yeah.
of hard to get the crab out even after you smashed it.
I know, I
but
cut myself on one of the crab shells, but it was really good. We did take some B-roll of it, so
we're
here you
gonna
go.
put it in right here for you.
guys. Yeah, it was really good.
If you guys are seafood lovers and you have over an hour to do dinner, we definitely recommend going there. The line is pretty long because, like Tia said, it is kind of a touristy spot.
Yeah.
I think we waited like 30 minutes, but by the time we left, we were walking by and we were hearing that the wait time was like an hour, hour and a half.
Yeah, people were like, what?
Yeah.
So yeah,
But-
get there a little bit early, but if you guys are in Seattle, it's prime time if you like seafood.
Definitely.
You get the little bib and everything.
Yeah, the bib's super cute. But alright guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. Once again, I think we just hit, what, 67,000 subscribers? I can't believe it. That's crazy.
Thank you so much,
Thank you guys.
Drop us a comment, like the video. It really helps with the algorithm and all that. If you guys would like to subscribe, we would appreciate that as well.
Definitely.
But yeah, thank you guys for watching as always.
We out.